Hey gang, just a quick heads up. Full 1 year coaching for just 5K. You heard me right. I'll work with you directly. I will hold your hand. I will answer every and all your question. I will show you where the pitfalls are for only 5K. This is not going to last for a long time. I only have 19 seats, guys. Okay. On top of that, I will give you, listen to this. Listen to this. I will give you all your business tools that you need, just like if you had just bought a business from, let's say, from your online commerce website that's highly converged to your sales copy, to your videos, to your follow ups, to your marketing, to the paperwork you need to negotiate with sellers, how to negotiate everything you need, not only the training, but the physical materials for your business, the brick and mortars, in my profit sharing for 1 year coaching, 5 grand. You get $9,000 plus of free advanced business tools that you need to succeed, and you'll get it as a gift from me, guys. All right. So once again, full year, one-on-one. This is not a group thing. This is one-on-one coaching. Again, one-on-one coaching. I will talk to you privately, get to know you, and answer your questions for 5K for 1 year, guys. Go check out all the details at mrnofluff.com. Again, profitsharing.mrnofluff.com, profitsharing.mrnofluff.com. If you're interested in fixing homes and flipping them, if you're interested in wholesaling, if you're interested in buying houses subject to, if you're interested in getting seller financing using creative strategies like lease options, master leases, OPMs, wraps, if you're interested in creating passive income, if you're interested in creating wealth because you already have a successful business and you're looking for real estate, then this is the place for you. I teach you how to find off-market properties. Off-market properties, not properties that everyone else has an eye on it, like what you find at an auction or what you find out from an REO on the MLS. No, 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 no. I find you deals. I show you how to find deals. Not that I find it to you. I show you how to find, so you can find your own deals, so you can do it yourself, with motivated sellers, off-market properties, to my creative, street tested, over 25 years of entrepreneurship, let you have it right now in profit sharing. So again, one-on-one coaching for 1 year, 5 grand. You don't have to spend any more money. Okay, 5K. You don't have to spend any extra money. That's it. I'll give you all the tools, and we're gonna work on doing one deal, guys, where I hold your hand and help you. Okay, and we'll split the profits on one deal. After that, you're getting the coaching. There's no additional cost. Go to mrnofluff.com and check it out. Peace.